In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use paths in Zapier, a powerful tool for creating automated workflows tailored to your specific needs and conditions. We'll start our journey by visiting the Zapier dashboard. Once you're there, the initial step is to look for the plus create button, which is typically located at the top of the page. Clicking on this button sets the framework for a new automation, or Zap as they call it. This action brings up a blank slate ready for you to begin weaving your magic. Next, you'll want to click on the Zaps option. This takes you into Zapier's vault of automation, where you have the flexibility to manage existing Zaps or start fresh ones. It's here you have your toolkit, ready to build intricate workflows or simple ones depending on your needs. Now, onto the more exciting part. Along the way, you will notice a plus icon. This is where you can introduce different elements to your Zap. A click on this icon reveals several options, but in our scenario, you'll select Path. Paths act as decision branches, allowing you to create different outcomes based on the specifics that you define. Essentially, each path provides you with the chance to specify the conditions under which certain actions should occur, making your automations more dynamic and precisely tailored. Once you've selected path, it's time to define your path condition. In this step, you craft the logic that determines which path your data should follow. This is akin to laying down signposts that direct your information traffic accordingly. Consider what criteria you need. It could be based on data points like the amount spent, email subject lines, or even tags used. Paths hinge on these conditions to understand which directive they should follow next. At this point, follow the on-screen prompts provided by Zapier. It guides you through setting up each condition with an ease that beginners will appreciate, but holds the depth that more adept users can leverage to customize their workflows extensively. Pay close attention to each prompt, as they will direct you to input the parameters necessary for crafting a successful path. Throughout the process, you'll notice the importance of understanding your criteria and breaking them down into actionable triggers and consequential actions. Paths can become as simple or as complex as needed, so take your time exploring the options and don't hesitate to iterate on them. This is where the beauty of Zapier shines, allowing automation that fits precisely with your business needs. And there you have it. From setting up a new Zap to implementing paths that control different data outcomes, this is your stepping stone to mastering automation using Zapier. As you become more familiar with these tools, you'll discover endless ways to streamline processes, increase efficiency, and reduce manual repetitive tasks. Thank you for joining today, and happy zapping!